Drugs recovered from Lahorijan, 3 persons arrested. House gutted in fire accident in Sukhanjan. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jirbon Kilingpi with the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. The unending series of drug smuggling continues along the National Highway 39. Even after several plans of the smugglers being foiled, the supply had not stopped.
On Friday at around 12:30 p.m., acting on a tip-off provided by SDPO Bokajan, a special naka was set up at Lahorijan near Assam-Nagaland border under Khatkati PS jurisdiction. At around 1:20 p.m., an auto rickshaw bearing registration number AS09C8153 carrying passengers was intercepted, and after thorough search, 3 suitcases containing total 41 grams of suspected heroin was recovered from the possession 24 years old D. Ashiri Eke, son of Daili of Makhan Center B village under Dadubi police station in Senapati district of Manipur. The cases of the banned substance were kept inside one airbag. Other 2 associates of Ike, including Sorokhaibam Nehru Meitei from Leika Impal and Kajikho Ishome from Kuda village of East Dimapur, Nagaland, were also brought to the police station for interrogation. Recovered items are seized at patrol outposts and sealed at the same place in presence of local witnesses. The naka was set up under the leadership of OC Khatkati PS SIUB Moblik Brahma, assisted by SIUB Mridul Rudra Paul and police station staff under the supervision of Bokajan SDPO John Das and CI Borpathar Inspector Bhupen Kalita. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.
In another news coming from Bokajan, a devastating fire accident broke out on Saturday morning in Sukhanjan, during which a house was completely destroyed. Fortunately, no casualty was reported. Here is a report.
The accident took place at around 9:15 a.m. in the morning. A house at Sukhanjan Ikirani, Ward number 6, belonging to Babal Datta was razed to ash by the fire. Along with his own residence, 4 rented rooms of Babal Datta were also completely destroyed. On noticing the fire, locals tried to douse it, but the flames were too strong. The nearest fire service station were immediately alerted. However, by the time they could reach the site, everything was over. The firefighters only managed to prevent the fire from spreading. The fire had destroyed everything, including clothes, furniture, utensils, documents, and other properties. While speaking to the media, the owner said that the fire had destroyed at least rupees 10 lakhs worth properties. The tenants, including Purnima Bora, Pinky Day, and Binoy Thakur, had also lost everything that was kept inside the room. Local police also rushed to the spot to take stock of the incident. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.
The Governor of Assam had, through a notification issued on February 26, 2021, dissolved the old body of the Karbi Development Council formed in 2016. In the interest on the Karbis leaving Karbi Anglong district, a new body of the same has been reconstituted. The notification was released by Principal Secretary to the Govt of Assam, Department of Welfare of Plain Tribes and Backward Classes. The Karbi Development Council Assam is a body meant for the Karbis residing in different plain districts of Assam. The newly constituted body will be led by Ranjit Rahang of Khanapara as the chairman, while Dilip Taro of Guwahati has been appointed as its vice chairman. Among several other members of the body, noted members include Sunil Kumar Teron from Swalkuchi, Niroda Katharpi from Sonapur, Dipali Sinarpi from Kolyabor, Baigyanti Kilingpi from Jagirot, David Ingleng from Kachar, Nagen Phangcho from Biswanath. Director of the WPT and BC was appointed as the member secretary. Nituraj Ronghangs from Sonapur, Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso, where the 47th Karbi Youth Festival was held, seems to look like a garbage dumped site following the massive waste left at the site. The land for the huge area of Karbi People's Hall at Taralangso were donated by several persons to establish permanent place for holding the Karbi Youth Festival, which may be said as one of the oldest ethnic festival of Northeast India region. The festival draws lakhs of people, including locals and outside the districts, to witness the various traditional and cultural events which is held every year, during which more than 25 KCS zones takes part in various competitions. In addition to this, the annual event attracts huge number of people to sell their products. The annual event also generates huge garbage and waste which are yet to be tackled by the organizer and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The massive waste which have been left open and littered all across the venue have also destroyed the water bodies where they are being dumped due to the lack of planning for disposing during and after the event. Newsdesk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.